Hey, welcome to yet another 8181 IT video. My name is Savio, and today I'm going to do yet another unboxing of memory RAM. And this is no ordinary memory RAM. This is memory RAM made for Mac. Okay, and it's by a company called Timetec. And this is what Timetec's memory RAM for the Mac looks like. Okay, so this is a box, brand new, never opened, sealed, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. It's by this company Timetec, and they specialize in memory and a whole bunch of other IT equipment as well. So I'm going to unbox it without further ado. Just start off with the unboxing of this, and it says here made for Mac. I hope you've seen that. It's total of 16 gigabytes, so it's 4 sticks of RAM. Okay, so 4, and I am gonna start with the unboxing. As you can see, it comes like in twos. It's very cleverly packaged. So one, two here, and two here. That makes sense. Okay. All right. Anyway, let me open it for you guys to see. And maybe it might make it'll look a lot better if I actually open it. And obviously, I just have to take out one stick. I don't have to take out all 4 because they're all the same. And these are 1066 DDR3 memory. Okay, 4 gigabytes each stick. Just gonna open it, and because it's made for Mac, it's gonna be a little bit smaller. And this is gonna be used on a 2009 21.5 iMac. That's what I bought it for. That's what the stick looks like. As you can see, it's really cool. Look at that. Look at that. How cool it is. It's awesome. It's a 4 gigabyte DDR3 1066 RAM. That's what it is, and these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's gonna make my computer run even better than it was before. I'm literally gonna revive a 21.5 late 2009 iMac with this RAM, and of course I'm also gonna club in some new SSD that I've got, and it's gonna be fantastic, much better than it is right now, than it's performing right now. Alright, so that's the unboxing video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't want to keep it too long because it's a simple unboxing. I'm also going to show you how I changed the RAM on the Mac, on the iMac. Stick around for that video. It's an upcoming video. Next time, you take care, and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.